guys, how's it going? So I'm all dressed up for a nice Valentine's look. So as always, we start off with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. And just put that all over your lid and blend it out. And never forget your chapstick. Gotta have that, especially for Valentine's. So we're just gonna blend out that white base. With the fluffy brush, just put on your transition color. And with the fluffy flat brush, put on your pink, your hot pink color. And we're not using my normal palette, we're using one of the cheaper palettes that I have. And that is not the right palette. Okay, we're going to use this hot pink. And this hot pink is lighter than the one in the Take Me to Brazil palette, so we're going to have to build it up. But I wanted a lighter, not as intense pink, so this was a good color. You can get this color on Amazon, or this palette, for around $1, maybe $2. Go back in with your transition color and on a fluffy brush and just blend out the edges. So go in with a pink and purple mix and put that on your crease. I ended up using more of the purple. If there's too much purple, just add more pink until you get your desired effect. Go in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and put that on your lid. I ended up losing the footage, but we put gold on and the look was done.